Hey everyone, we're going to be moving on to section 1.2, which is dealing with slopes and intercepts, okay? There's going to be a lot of little definitions in this one, so hopefully these videos go pretty quickly. The essential question for this is I can graph linear equations and determine linear equations from the graph, okay? So be able to graph a linear equation, given some information, or be given a graph and tell me what the equation is for that graph. Okay, so let's start with this, the slope of a line. Well, the slope of a line is defined by something, okay? So let's, if a point x1 and y1 and another point x2 and y2 lie on a line, then the slope, which is usually defined by this letter m, so fill that in, of the line is given by the ratio right below, okay? I'm going to give you time to fill this in. You can pause though. M equals change in y, okay? Sometimes also known as delta. Change in y is also known as delta y. Check this out. Delta y over the corresponding change in x, which is also known as delta x, okay? Delta is like a thing of change, okay? And this is actually kind of simplifies to this right here. The change in y is really y2 minus y1. That is change in y. Let's just put that change in y right there. And x2 minus x1 is really change in x, or delta x, okay? This is your slope, okay? So in the next problem, what we're going to do is we're going to use this equation right here. We're going to use this equation to find the slope from the 2 points right here, okay? We're going to use this equation. So let's do that. So first what you have to do is say, okay, which point is which? Let's make this point 1 and this point 2, okay? So if that's true, then this is x1 and this is y1 and this is x2 and this is y2. Now when you know that, what you can do is just take those and plug it into the formula right here. Well, we know y2 is right here. That's given to you. That's 8. y2 is 8. And y1 is 4. So 8 minus 4. And that's divided by x2, which is 4, minus x1, which is 2. Okay? So 8 minus 4, everyone knows that's just 4. And 4 minus 2, everyone knows that's just 2. And 4 divided by 2 is 2. So the slope of the line between these 2 points is 2. And that's how you can find the slope of the line given 2 points. You just use the formula for slope that was given right up here.